Hey guys, my name is Warren Cargill. I'm an acupuncturist and clinic director here at Acupuncture Atlanta. Today I'd like to share with you some information about a neuroscience product by the name of AdreCor, with SAMe. And AdreCor, so neuroscience has a product just by the name of AdreCor, and then they also have another product by the name of AdreCor with SAMe. And so the basic AdreCor product is for adrenal fatigue. So it's a product that strengthens and supports the adrenals, specifically the cortisol output, DHA, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. And there's a number of things that will deplete those. So, for example, if you have a chronically stressful work environment, that will deplete that. But when I say stress can be any number of things. Stress can be related to like work environment, mental function. It can be a stressful emotional environment. It could be a stressful physical environment, like you're in chronic pain, you have a chronic immune response going on. So the cortisol and the adrenals produce, they kind of modulate the secretory IgA. Now, the secretory IgA is like if you put your tongue on the inside of your cheek, that little slick surface there is secretory IgA. And it goes through all the body cavities and is specific to immune and viral and bacterial exclusion, fungus, that kind of stuff. And so if there's some sort of chronic conditions going on, that secretory IgA gets depleted, and i.e. that will deplete the adrenals. So there's a number of things that can weaken the adrenals. The AdreCor, the ingredients, are the Rhodiola rosea, which is a primary ingredient there, and the L-tyrosine for cortisol, for specifically the cortisol, the norepinephrine, and the epinephrine, right? And then there's a lot of B vitamins in it. And the B vitamins have been shown to be very effective for nourishing and supporting the adrenal function. So that's the basic AdreCor. The AdreCor with the SAMe. SAMe is specific to methylization. And I'm not sure if people really understand how significant methylization is, but methylization is a process that kind of clears the body of toxins. It takes those non-water soluble things, toxins, heavy metals, things like that, and makes them where they can be excreted. And so in the context of your adrenals, it just helps kind of clear the pathway so you can get a much more improved production of the cortisol and the DHA and the norepinephrine and epinephrine. So that's what the addition of the SAMe does, and it really enhances that whole methylization process. Okay, so AdreCor with SAMe, if adrenal fatigue is something that you're concerned with, low energy, those kind of issues. Okay, if you have additional questions, you can call us, or you can email us, or you can chat in. Hey, thanks so much for listening.